Hello everyone. So today we'll talk about yoga props. If you think you want to learn advanced asanas and deepen your practices and you want to understand your body in a better way, it is must to buy yoga props. So let's talk about them. First is yoga blocks. ठीक है, so ये foam yoga blocks है. This is a little softer foam and this is little harder foam. When you are buying yoga block, मेक श्योर कि आप जब उसको फिंगर्स से इस तरह से पकड़ेंगे तो आपके हाथ में अच्छे से फिट हो जाना चाहिए. ओके, यू कैन गो फॉर डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स अकॉर्डिंग टू माय एक्सपीरियंस. Decathlon has good collection and Wise Life also has good collection. So I won't be promoting any specific brand, but I'm just sharing my experience. Next is yoga belt. Okay, so this is a cotton strap and not elastic TheraBand. It is 8 feet long. 8 feet लंबी बेल्ट है. At the end it has a lock, D-loop lock, which you can use it for locking your specific joint. Next is knee pad. When you are learning advanced practices, it is a very common tendency कि आप अपने muscles properly engage नहीं कर पाएंगे and you may damage your joints. So it is very important to protect your joint, especially your knee joint. Okay, so these are knee pads. This is again from Decathlon, and if you want to use only one knee pad, you can go for a single one. If you think आपको दोनों knees एक साथ रखना है कोई postures में और आपको दोनों knees में support चाहिए, तो these are long yoga knee mats. Okay, so this is from Tigo and this one was from Decathlon. Belts also you can go for Bold Fit, Strauss, Wise Life, all of them have a good collection. Next is yoga wheel. Okay, so when you want to deepen your back bends, these are a very important prop. इस योगा व्हील में ये ध्यान रखना है कि इसकी विड्थ प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए. जब आपकी बॉडी इस पे आएगी, आपकी पूरी स्पाइन या आपके दोनों पैर इस पे रखेंगे तो इट शुड फिट ऑन द व्हील. अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज इसकी जो अंदर की रिम है वो प्लास्टिक की नहीं होनी चाहिए. इट शुड बी हार्ड मटेरियल एंड व्हेन यू प्रेस इट, मतलब आपकी बॉडी का वेट इस पे जाएगा तो इट शुड नॉट कंप्रेस इनसाइड. So these are the few things you should be taking care while purchasing a wheel. So these wheels are good in many brands like Wise Life, Yogis, Vedam. Okay. Another last important prop is yoga chair. अगेन जब आपको डीपर प्रैक्टिसेस करने हैं, एडवांस बैक बेंडिंग करनी है, तो आपकी ये जो बैक है वो हॉलो होनी चाहिए. तो आपकी बॉडी इसमें से पास हो सकती है एंड यू कैन गेट द फील ऑफ दैट आसना. These are also called as Iyengar yoga chairs. Okay, this is from Street Up India. You can go for any brand which you feel is good. It should be of metal material and इसमें एक और चीज़ आती है with pad आता है. जैसे ये थोड़ा सा पैडिंग जैसा होता है. So you can easily support your body and without hurting your joints. Okay. So when you are purchasing any yoga prop, think it as an investment and not as an expense. Thank you.